Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add alt text to images in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load in all your emails and give you access to the composition tools you'll need for adding alt text to images. Once your email has loaded, you'll need to access your email tools by clicking on the New Email button located on the top left part of your screen. This opens up the email composition window where you can create messages and work with images. From the email composition screen, look at the top part of your screen where your tools and menus are located. From here, click on the Insert tab. This tab contains all the options you need for adding various elements to your email, including images. Once your Insert menu has opened, you'll first need to add a sample image so you can add the alt text to it. Click on the picture dropdown and you'll see several options on where your source image can originate. For this tutorial, we'll simply choose this device. This option lets you select images stored directly on your computer. After clicking this device, a File Explorer window will appear. Navigate through your folders to locate the image you wish to use and add an alt text to. Click on it to select it, then click on Insert. This will place your chosen image directly into your email composition area, and you're now ready to add the alt text. Once the image has been added to your email, adding alt text is straightforward. Simply right-click on the image and a context menu will appear. From the context menu, look for the View Alt Text option and click on it. The alt text window will slide in from the right side panel, giving you a dedicated space to work with your image's accessibility settings. From here, simply add in a description for your image. A field will be provided for you to enter at least 1 to 2 detailed sentences for your image description. This description is crucial because it helps people using screen readers understand what the image shows, making your emails more accessible to everyone. Once you've typed in your description, click on the Generate Alt Text For Me button if you'd like Outlook to suggest improvements or alternatives based on your input. And that's it. You've successfully added alt text to an image in Outlook, making your emails more accessible and informative for all recipients. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.